Hello guys, my name is Shion and today I have another interesting topic for you. I know you are going to benefit from ease. Today's topic is how to make money from just typing. You are getting job from people and typing. And I'm going to be showing you how to do less typing and do talk. You talk and the whole thing will be typing. So without wasting much of your time, if you are new on this channel, please click on the subscribe button and don't forget click on the bell button so that you will be the first person to know whenever I'm dropping a video. So let me head on to my browser. Alright, this is my email. So I have some quite a number of websites here that you can sign up with them, and they will give you job, writing job. Just get the job and do the writing, or sometimes they will give you audio version or video version that you just need to transcribe it to written words. So okay, as that being said, so you can sign up with that one. It's called constant content. You can check it out, constantcontent.com. that's constant content.com. You will want to write it down, although I'm going to drop the link in the description section so that you can see the link there. We have rev.com/freelancers, rev.com/freelancers. All these websites I'm mentioning, they are for you to sign up with them, and they will give you a job to do, just give you a typing job to do. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do the typing without even pressing your keyboard. So I'm going to show you how to do the typing. So this one is not loading. Okay, another one is clickworker.com. clickworker.com/clickworker. clickworker.com, they will also give you profit from your talents. Clickworker is always looking for internet user worldwide who can, for example, create or correct text, participate in surveys, or search and categorize data for us. So sometimes these people want you to proofread words, correct spelling. If you are good in correcting spelling, if you are good in proofreading, then this site is for you. clickworker.com. See, those are the things you can do here: text creation, categorization, copyright editing, proofreading, researching, and survey. And also we have a lot video, audio recording, and video recording, so you can sign up with them also. And another one is Amazon Mechanical Truck. Amazon Mechanical Talk. So we have this talk too, Amazon Mechanical Talk. So you can sign up with these people also. They will give you job, writing job. You just get the job, or an audio or video version. So you transcribe it to a written text. So I'm going to show you how to transcribe a video to a written text, or an audio to a written text. So I'll just head on to your Gmail and click on this button, these 12 dots. I'm going to show you these 12 dots. This 12 dot over here, this 12 dot over here, this that says Google Apps. Just click on this Google Apps, then you see a lot of things you can do with your Gmail. There are a lot of things you can do with your Gmail apart from just sending emails. There are a lot of apps here. So you're going to click on Docs, DOCS, Docs. So you are clicking on Docs. Then the next thing we're going to do, we are going to click on voice typing. So it's going to be easy for us to do that. Alright, so this network, this country, we're in Nigeria, so just bear with us. Alright, no, the next thing you're doing now is click on blank. You click on blank here so that you can access the functions. You click on blank and then wait for a while so that you can get it set. Alright. Alright. Okay, if you are new on this channel, kindly click on that subscribe button, and don't go without clicking on the bell button, because it's very important so that you know whenever I'm dropping a video. So now it's loading. I believe you guys are doing well today, so don't worry. This is another means for you to make cool money online without doing much. So the next thing we are gonna, okay, still loading. So okay, still loading. The network is bad. Okay. Oh, this network is so bad, man. It's seriously bad. Okay. Oh, I'm very sorry for this network. Okay, let me click tools. Okay, oh my god. We need this network for us to achieve what we need, what we want to do here. Let me refresh. I'm deeply sorry for this delay. I don't want to bore you with my network, but because of the part of the country I'm in, this our network is bad in this country, so just bear with me. Okay, just bear with me. Okay, good. I think I have it then. So the next thing you're clicking, you click on tools, then you click on voice typing. So let's see voice typing. Okay, while that one is loading, let me quickly do something like our live okay. Alright, go back to that place. Voice typing. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on this icon, this voice icon. This record icon, this mic icon to check. And just what you need to do is read whatever you're saying, and it will be typing it for you automatically. Just continue to read whatever you want to do. Allow it, then it will do the work. Just continue to talk. Hi, my name is Sean, and in this video I'm going to be showing you what works and how you can perfect your working, because my network. So I think I have a bad network, and I know I have to do something about it. So I'm just doing this to text for my friend listening, so that he can do something. Okay. Oh, this is how it works. Just talk, do the talk, and it's gonna do the writing for you. Okay, so in a short while you can just get the video copy. You can get the get a video, get it could be the video, the audio, any format they give you to do. Just read it out to this Google. It will help you to translate, transcribe it to written test. Space. Alright, thank you so much for listening, so we can continue to do the next thing. Okay, all you just need to do after this talk, after you might have read everything in that audio, or read everything in that book you want to transcribe, or if it's an audio, just play the audio and automatically your system will pick the sound of the audio and it will help you to transcribe like it's doing for me. Then the next thing you're doing is you are editing it, because you have to there will be some error, there will be some mistakes. You just need to edit them and you're good to go. So now if you get this right, remember how I did it. You can if you don't get it, just repeat this video and watch it again and again until you get it. So remember how I did it. Then the next thing you're doing now, you take this, you're going to this site, constant test, constant content, to sign up with them, and you tell them you're a writer. You help them to write. You just sign up here, find writer, sign up, writer account, just sign up, then you're good to go. Then here also sign up with them. It's free to sign up, become a freelancer with Rev. So put in your first name, your last name, email, choose an option. You pick transcriptionist. Then you pick your country. All countries allowed. So you can do that one. Then you come to this one again and do the same thing. You sign up with them. They tell them you help them to write anything or transcribe anything. So that's what you're doing. And you come here again, you do the same. You go to, I'm gonna put the link in the description section so that you can just click and register. It's free for you to register. So do the registration, and the next thing you're doing is receiving money, because they will want to give you a lot of jobs. So you have to be ready to work from home, work from anywhere you are. And another thing I want to show you is this application. In case you don't have a system, you don't have a laptop, you want to do it on your phone, you can also do that same thing on your phone, or you get this app, Live Transcribe, on your phone. You get Live Transcribe on your phone. Just download, go to Google Store, download Live Transcribe, or you go to your app store. You go to your app store, you download Live Transcribe, and that will be all for today. So just try and make sure you do everything that I've said. Try and practice. It's very easy to make money online. Just this is one of the ways you can make money online. Sign up with this guy, then get a job. Go to your Google. From your Google, you locate Doc. From Doc, excuse me. Okay, from your Google, you click on this button. From here, you go to your Doc. You go to Doc, DOCS. Click on Doc. Then from there, it take you here. You wait a minute. Okay. So after here, after you might have clicked this one, the next thing you're doing is click on tools. From tools, you click on voice typing. So thank you for listening and watching this video. Kindly click on subscribe button so that you will we're part of the family, so that whenever I want to drop video, I will know that I have some subscribers. Okay, and don't forget also to click on the bell button so that you will know whenever I'm dropping a new video. Alright,